So look at how windy it is. Oh, she just changed positions. Anyway, let's go outside. So as I'm painting it, it's getting dusty. Hey, thoughts and prayers to my people in tents. I love the dog as the accessory too. It's so cute. And I think it's adorable that you always end up carrying around somebody else's dog. Like that the dog just decided to it's going with you today. Yeah. And yeah. Hush,
How it relates to our lives or how we learn and have had similar experience.
So show me what you brought today to the thing.
No, I'm not doing it like that.
What?
Just look at this.
What happened?
This is the most important thing of all. What? Yeah.
What's his name?
It's Jerry. It's Jerry Bear. Jerry the Jerry Bear. And he's the oldest dog in Slab City as far as we know.
Oh wow.
No one can make their mind up though. Is he 15? Is he 16? Is he 17? It seemed like he was 16 years, a long time ago. I think they exaggerate things like that here as a group. But anyway, see what he's been fed with? That's your bliss. That's your bliss right there. That's your knife. Your permanent knife. How long are you going to live? That's going to live as long as you. Fork. Less than 8 minutes. Sharp rock. Shave them out. None of this bullshit. None of this microplastic which is blocking your heart valves and it's all over your body. It's all over the world. This is disgusting. Single use. Single use my ass. These will stay with me until they break, and then one day I suppose I'll light a fire with them. But otherwise, there it is. Bliss. Use your imagination. Use your fingers.
I use my fingers.
Let your fingers do the work.
I use my fingers. Yeah. No, she tried to offer me a fork, and I was like, no, thank you. Not because of the microplastics, but because
Adjustable fork.
Yeah, that's cool. Yours are way cooler. And let me see the end, because you even tied it together at the end. That's really cool.
It's garbage. Piece of wire.
I do
it properly with a hole through, then put some copper wire, you know, from all the
yeah.
There's copper everywhere here.
Yeah, I know I use it for my art.
Do you? What's your favourite art?
My favorite art? I crochet with it.
Crochet
with copper wire. Yeah, so like I find little glass bottles out here, and I crochet over the top of it with wire. I make like a cage for it. Yeah.
Love seeing an example of that.
Yeah.
Seeing some chainmail.
Kind of, yeah. Like sometimes it looks like chainmail, or like when I'm first starting out and I only have the flat part that goes on the bottom of the bottle, it looks like a Brillo pad. It looks like I'm crocheting a Brillo pad. Yeah. Yeah. And then put a little flour in it and I sell it to the tourists.
What about making bowls?
Huh? Bowls? Oh, out of?
Out of? With different insulated wire. I seen it in Santa Fe. I think it was from South Africa. Beautiful, colourful bowls made from all the different wiring. The wiring that's colour coordinated, like you see in the vehicles.
Yeah.
Woven.
That's cool.
They're great, big money.
Yeah. I started making rugs. Using some of the
Races for little boys. Just peanut butter.
The donation fabric. If I can find a big piece of fabric in the donation pile, slicing it into strips and then crocheting with that into rugs. Depends. It's a pain in the ass. I'll tell you what, it was more fun when I was tweaking.
You still tweaking?
No.
What makes you not tweaking?
No. Because it's not good for you.
It's not good for you, children.
Don't do
Taking is
drugs.
not good for you.
Drugs are bad. Okay.
That's right. Dare to be sober. Dare to let your own mind wander to the full extent of its imagination. It can be better
Okay,
than
so I
anything.
changed
Well,
it.
actually, mushrooms might
There we
open
go.
the doorway.
That's California sober.
Is it?
California
changed
sober
it.
is
Sometimes they open the doorway though.
Same
Yeah.
thing I said because we learned from
Until you
Master
find your way
Rosa.
to a dungeon
I
instead of
said,
finding your way to heaven.
this particular book of stories is one that many have died for protecting and teaching. Maybe it's worth a read.
Oh, is he in?
Yeah.
No, because the table is in a weird way. Well, yeah, he is. It's hard for me to see. Also, it's too dark.
Anyway, subscribe to his channel. Don't subscribe to Angie's channel. Subscribe to Mr. Boogie Bear and Jebby Bear.
His head's just barely sticking up over there.
He just wants to be in the trap.
Yeah.
If he'll, yeah,
furry,
call him
man.
out.
That's
Call him.
crazy.
Call him. Call him.
Oh, he's there. Out there. Oh, he's good.
Yeah, he just wants to lay down.
So we're gonna disperse these cattails that Tori and I harvested the other day over here in the canal. Yeah. Whoa. Let me get the camera stand. Okay, look. This is cool. What's that? So yeah, I pollinated the canal. With that stuff. I found the best spot to stand was over there. Because of the way the wind's blowing. I dusted the canal right there. And one day we'll have cattails. Yay. They're all over me. I got them in my nose, in my mouth. I sent down so many cattails from the end of the dock.